Hello. This is my Ford Focus Mark 1 1999, ending in December. I just bought this car like a week ago and it makes an awful sound. The guy who sold me told me that there might be a problem with the engine pads, so the engine pads might be loose, or I should replace them. But damn, it makes a weird sound. I don't know, can you hear it during here? So if I'm gonna press an accelerator, I'm gonna give some gas, the sound disappears. Listen to that sound. That's a perfect sound. It's a perfect sound of a perfect car. That's how it should be, even if I don't press the gas. Right now I'm holding the gas pedal a little bit down. Going upper gears, not gears, gas, no sound at all. Going even more, no sound. And letting loose, and it makes that sound again. My god, what is that sound? So guys, if you know something about it, so please give me some feedback, left some comments so I should know or what it might be wrong with this car. This is the handbrake signal that's in here, so this is no warning sign or nothing. I don't know, I cannot zoom with my camera right now. I'm recording it with my phone camera. It has 245,000 kilometers on it, a little bit even more. And just please give me feedback. It's a manual transmission, so yeah, thanks guys.